All right, seventh graders, so we're going to be starting our novel study of The Outsiders. This is chapter 1. I have given you guys The Outsiders book by S.E. Hinton. I have given you a CD player and batteries, and I have given you CDs of the audio book. What you will need when you start this assignment is your headphones and your earbuds, the book, your CD player, the CDs, and the guided notes for this chapter that you can fill in the missing information. Now, as you listen to the first chapter, follow along with the book. Stop the CD when you come to an answer and fill in the missing information. So, for example, as you are reading, it says the book opens with Pony Boy walking out of a, and what we're going to write in here is movie theater. So I just wrote that in there, and you will continue on. If I have put a space in between two lines, that means it's a two-word answer. When you come down here to this question, it says the greasers commonly partake in three activities, which are um, there is a fourth one there. So if you get it, it's just bonus information. If you don't fill that in, it's fine. Last but not least, enjoy, have fun, and then submit it to me through Canvas.